don't need that anymore. What is up, Conswala? It's your girl Trish, aka Conswala, and we are back with another video. So today we're going to be doing some DIY, and it involves a hidden camera. Because you see people when they're doing pranks, you know, they always got those hidden cameras somewhere. You never know where they are. So today we're going to be helping you guys out to successfully hide your camera so no one knows. I know it's probably pretty bad, really bad, because if I do any more prank videos, I'm probably going to be using this item around, and then, you know, whoever I film, they're probably going to be looking around like, where's that item she made in a few past videos, and be like, sorry, I know you filmed a video. Don't play that game with me. So, let's get on with this DIY.
What you'll be needing today is a Sharpie, a razor, a hot glue gun, which is optional, and a candy box close to like this. So first, you always want to test to make sure your phone fits inside this little box that you used. And as you can see, it does, so we can move on to the next step. Okay, so this is where it gets to the hard part. You have to kind of predict or measure where you think the camera is going to be. So first, I tried to stick it in there and use my finger to figure out where the camera is, and then use my Sharpie to kind of like figure out where it is. But then I was like, I think I'm just gonna measure it from the top and just draw it from there and see if the camera is like exactly right. Now we're going to be using the box cutter to cut out the outline of our rear camera. And remember, do not cut out the top part because that's going to be a little flap, as you can see. Now we are going to be testing out to see if our phone can fit in there where we can see the camera perfectly, so it can give a really good view of whatever we're trying to secretly film. And make sure your box is standing so you can actually see if you can see it well. But as you can see, I cut it a little bit more too up, so I'm just going to use the razor to cut it more down, and I'll show you the result. This is the finished product, and as you can see the camera very perfectly. And now you can use this on any of your prank videos or any hidden cameras, because no one will even suspect that a candy box will have a camera in it. But now we're going to put it to the test, and we're going to try and secretly videotape someone and get some good footage.
Okay guys, you guys have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip that we secretly got of my cousin who tripped and fell. That was hilarious. We got a good clip. She doesn't even know, but she's gonna see it when this video comes out. She's gonna get so embarrassed. But yeah, so that is how the hidden camera works. And also, I bet you're wondering, you just said we had a glue gun. What are we even gonna use that for? Well, I just had it because my MikeAndIke box, it had this little right here, it's open, and I accidentally opened that. So yeah, I was just gonna use a glue gun to glue this together. So let me just do that right now. My glue gun is already heated up. And there you go, it's back on it. So yeah, this is what you guys could use for hidden cameras for any of videos or prank videos and stuff. And like I said, you don't have to use this box. You can use different boxes like candy box or, you know, what else boxes? Yeah, any packages you have. Well, I mean, you know what I mean. Just use like a box kind of like this. Just, you know, it doesn't have to be just a candy box. But yeah, just something like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it if you enjoyed. and you like my DIYs, because you don't know I could be doing more of these. Because if you didn't know I like DIYs, you know what I'm saying? Please put in the comments from my last video and on this video if you enjoyed the new picks, the votes that got the most. If you picked that, make sure to put that in the comments. Also put in the comments any recommendations you have for this video. Share this video to your friends and family so this family can grow larger. Hit the notification bell so you can join the hashtag CCC Squad. You know what I'm saying? If you hit the notification bell, also comment below hashtag CCC Squad, because I just want to know. Notified for the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! So, let's get on with the video. I'm just kidding. All YouTubers be doing that. Yeah. You can't be laughing. Because you